Hey everyone, welcome back to Nurnis Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a salad recipe that's quick to prepare, but yeah, very delicious. I made this for a Ramadan Iftar, which is a meal where we break our fast at sunset. It was extra special because it brought together the same group of girls who usually gather weekly, but we had taken a break since Ramadan began. It was a potluck style, and I was in charge of bringing the salad, and here's what I put together. First, I started by chopping all the fresh ingredients. Lettuce, red onion, jalapeno peppers, strawberries, parsley and corn, cucumbers, green olives, and cooked farro. And if you notice a little extra hand helping out, that's my son. He just couldn't resist joining me in the kitchen. Next, let's prepare the dressing. For this sauce, I used extra virgin olive oil, honey mustard, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and salt. Give it a good mix, then pour it over the salad and combine everything well. As mentioned before, this gathering was potluck style, and as Nurni's Kitchen, I was so happy to contribute the salad. Spending time with these girls is always such a pleasure. We talked, played games, and truly enjoyed every moment together. Oh, and also I have to mention the dessert portion. One of my friends has started her own rice pudding business, and if you're someone who loves rice pudding, I definitely say give it a try. I'm not usually a rice pudding person, but after trying hers, I just can't have enough of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.